Great! To help you better, could you clarify a few things about the painting you're envisioning? 1. Style. Do you want the painting to be realistic, abstract, surreal, impressionistic, etc.? 2. Subject. Is the lock symbolic, e.g., representing security, secrecy, or emotional barriers, or just a literal lock? 3. Setting. Do you want the lock to be on something, like a door, diary, chest, or floating in space, or part of a scene? 4. Color palette. Any particular mood or colors you'd like, e.g., dark and moody, bright and whimsical. 5. Medium. Is this digital, acrylic, watercolor, oil, etc.?